Good morning. My name is Carlos Chamorro. I'm responsible for platform and ecosystem, and we're here at AHR 2026 showcasing our new digital platform, which is Envelope by Armstrong Technologies. So what I'm showing you here is one of the use cases. It was for a Marriott hotel where the customer was having a problem with reporting sustainability goals, trying to stay up to date in decarbonization strategy for her company. And so with the Envelope platform, we're able to help her have more visibility into the building operation. So two things. In the beginning, of course, the customers are skeptical about the solutions. Everybody promised they're the best. So what we did is we replaced, or not replaced, we upgraded one of our pumping packages, and we left the existing one in there so that you could see the difference between the energy profile of the one, or the energy demand from one versus the other, to satisfy the comfort needs of her facility. So when she sees the data of the energy consumption, is very clearly that we could really move the needle, not only in energy efficiency, but also in decarbonization. And this solution is not a rip and replace, like what most companies will say, you have to change your building automation system or replace these controls or the others. This is leveraging the data that she has in her building without disrupting her infrastructure, and then visualizing it in a very graphical way so she could see where the money is going and how it's changing her operation. So when you look at this at a yearly basis, or for the period that she has had the system, what you could see is that the total energy spent, this is when existing components in the building run in terms of pumping versus hours. And so now she's able to create this very easy reports to report her sustainability targets to the corporation upstream. She could do it in any week, any month, anything like that. She's so happy with this solution that she decided to upgrade all the other pumps in her building to our technology. And now she is now transformed her operation from preventive maintenance into a proactive maintenance. So she could focus on the things that matter most, and not just having the contractors come into the facility to start on the basement, end up at the 30th floor every year, and not really address what matters most for her. So this is Envelope Advisor by Armstrong Technology, and thanks for having me.